What are you cooking right there?
Pancit.
A pancit?
Pancit bihon.
Is that for breakfast or lunch or for both there?
And I promise, we'll try and get those killers.
Take care of them trouble. You see, I got a couple of bogarts coming in. Bogarts? What are bogarts? Treacherous.
So I finally got Arlene out of the house. I know, I understand. She has a baby, but I wanted to try to get her out so she can exercise. She feels lazy, but as soon as she gets out of the house and she's in the tricycle and she's walking around Buhi, I know she's gonna be okay. Diba? Okay, we made it to Buhi, and I'm not sure if they do this anywhere else, but they really pack these motorcycles, these tricycles. I think the limit is like 8 people in the tricycle, right? But at one point we had like 10 people on our tricycle. It was crazy.
Mga cousin ko yan, no? Yung kids.
Whose cousin? Your cousin?
Oh, yes. Yan. Children this way.
So when I get back in 2019, I'm gonna teach her English. She's gonna teach me Bicol. You teach me Tagalog.
No, I teach you the dialect.
Okay. So we're at Arlene's cousin's house, and they were just telling me that there's so many dialects in the Bicol language, and like Tagalog is easier to understand and learn than Bicol. So it's like another level. So how many dialects in the Bicol?
4.
About 4. So, and I can't even get one down. So we're at Buhi Church. That's the old part right here, if you can see it. Can you guys hear me? I didn't want to use my big camera today because it was like so difficult to haul around. So it's easier for me to use my GoPro. This is pretty cool here, right? Buhi Church. Buhi means, it's like maganda. It means like beautiful Buhi. And so we're finding out here in the Buhi market that it's not as cheap as Baclaran. Oh wow. I have one. Wait. Oh, I have 3. Ooh, I'm kissing myself. Okay. I'm trying my best to get Arlene awake and motivated to come with me back to Iriga. I have to go back to that coffee shop to see if they have any internet so I can get some work done. We can just walk for a little bit and see if there's a tricycle. While we're waiting for this tricycle to be packed with more people, what was one of your favorite things to do as a little kid growing up here in Bicol? You don't remember? How do you not remember? You swam every day in the springs, so we're just waiting here. We should just pay for a special ride. That was our second attempt at Coffee Talk, and they still do not have any internet. We're gonna go to the mall and we're gonna try to find like one of those little external hard drives, transfer some files. We're gonna hit one of those gaming stores and we're gonna rent one of their computers, and let's hope that I'll be able to upload some videos on YouTube.
I don't think we have met.
Oh, yes.
Just who are you?
Ang pangit ng mukha ni Jinjo. Teka.
Huh? Bye.